Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and today's video is going to be on Avalanche.
Welcome back to Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about Avalanche, and as you guys may know, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, and hopefully you guys do enjoy this video.
As we know, Avalanche is a competitor to Ethereum, and it has a massive ecosystem and it has a lot going on with it, and basically no fees compared to Ethereum. It really is great project, and it's just gone under $100, which I say is a great buy price. Even though the market cap is 22, almost $23 billion, that might seem like a lot, but if you do personally believe that it's going to be bigger than Ethereum, then this is definitely a great price to be buying into. 22 billion shouldn't phase you if you genuinely do believe that. I'm not saying I do, but yeah, if you do believe that, then this definitely is a good price for you to be buying in. Of course, not financial advice. And the ecosystem is just constantly growing with Avalanche. They've also got a bridge, if you didn't know, with the Avax. And they've got so many projects in it to trade on decentralized exchange, to use a yield optimizer, to manage your portfolio, to borrow or lend, and to also buy NFTs, which is what it's mostly known for, to replace Matic or Ethereum. As we know, there's so many projects that work with Avalanche. It's one of the most known projects, so I don't really want to talk about it too much, just mainly get into the technical analysis. But just as a brief look, as we know, there's many big projects that are all known. You should know them all, mostly all DeFi, but we've also got enterprise, exchange, infrastructure, tools, and wealth management, such as 1inch, Aave, 8board, AnySwap, Anchor. So many big projects you all know about, even Binance, Bitfinex. But obviously these are just where they're selling AVAX, so they're not actually really partnered. But yeah, if we get into the technical analysis.
Okay, so as we can see on the weekly time frame, we have had a massive bull trend, and the bullish structure is still intact. Keep in mind, because we've actually not closed below this low, and this low is like where price may want to retrace to go lower, but we've actually rejected that low and we've started to move higher. So as of right now, we're still in a massive bull market, in my opinion, and we are looking great, to see where we may reach for next on the weekly time frame. Daily time frame, however, as you guys may know, we have been moving quite nicely for the project AVAX, and a lot of people are getting excited to see where this project may be wanting to head to next, since it is a project that a lot of people do currently hold. One thing I've got my eyes on is this double top, where we may end up targeting or we may end up rejecting from. So stay tuned for that. But for now, as you guys may know, we are in a massive bull market. So if I just go to the 4-hour time frame, reset my chart. As you guys can see here, we are making higher highs and higher lows, and this is a perfect example for a bullish trend. And all of these sellers are now getting, destroyed by the buyers as of right now. All of the bearish people that we don't like are finally, not talking about this bull market. That's a great sign. So if you go to the hourly time frame as well, we can see we are same as the 4-hour, we are making high highs and high lows. And as we said, we do want to be seeing what happens on a daily. So we can expect price to potentially reach maybe the $125 mark if we do continue that bullish trend. But we have opened quite bearishly, and I do not want to see, whether we can drop lower, as that would be quite bearish. I do want to see a continuation within the bull market, since that's what we all want to be seeing and hearing. So yeah, as of right now, we don't want to be seeing whether we can drop from here. We do want to be seeing continuation. So yeah, stay tuned, and we are going to be giving you guys updates on what does happen next for AVAX.
So that's now it for this video. If you feel like you've taken any value from watching it, then please make sure you press that like button and also hit that subscribe button. It really does help us out and we really do appreciate it. And yeah, thank you very much. Have a lovely rest of your day.